in a slow, mysterious tone. In the year 1836, three unsuspecting boys stumbled upon a mystery that would perplex the world for centuries. Nestled within a rocky niche, in the shadow of Edinburgh's Arthur's Seat, were 17 miniature dolls, each eerily placed inside a tiny wooden coffin. These weren't ordinary toys. Each doll was carefully carved, dressed in delicate cotton, and laid to rest with the precision and respect of a full funeral. Yet something was deeply unsettling about them. Their wooden eyes remained open, black feet suggesting they were wearing boots, and one even had its arms removed to fit into its coffin. The boys didn't understand the significance of what they had found. Many of the dolls were tossed around and destroyed. Only 8 coffins survived the careless discovery. But these strange figurines quickly became known as the Burke and Hare murder dolls. The reason? A gruesome connection to one of Scotland's darkest chapters. In the late 1820s, William Burke and William Hare terrorized Edinburgh by selling fresh cadavers to the local medical school. They found an easy way to profit by turning murder into a business. 17 victims fell prey to their hands, their bodies sold for medical dissection. Could these dolls be linked to the victims of their macabre enterprise? Historians have long debated the origin of these coffins. Were they created by someone racked with guilt over the unburied dead? Perhaps a remorseful accomplice sought to give the victims the funerals they were denied. Or could it have been Burke himself, before his arrest, trying to atone for his sins through these symbolic burials? Many theories have emerged, each darker than the last. Some say the coffins were part of a twisted ritual, perhaps even a form of Celtic magic or voodoo. Others believe they represented sailors lost at sea. The coffins, with their differing stages of decay, suggest they were placed over many years. But by who and why? After their grisly deeds were uncovered, Hare turned on Burke, testifying against him in exchange for freedom. Burke was sentenced to death and, in a cruel twist of fate, his body was publicly dissected, just like the many victims whose deaths he had profited from. Hare disappeared, his fate unknown, leaving only the mystery of the dolls behind. To this day, the true purpose of the Burke and Hare murder dolls remains an enigma. Were they a macabre memorial to the victims of a gruesome crime spree, or something far more sinister? The dolls now reside in the National Museum of Scotland, a haunting reminder of Edinburgh's dark past. Some mysteries are never meant to be solved. The Burke and Hare murder dolls remain a chilling testament to the unknown, a puzzle that refuses to give up its secrets. Perhaps that is the way it was meant to be. Some mysteries are never meant to be solved, and the Burke and Hare murder dolls remain one of Edinburgh's darkest secrets, an enigma lost to time. But this is not the only unsolved tale lurking in history's shadows. What other hidden horrors might be waiting to be uncovered? Join us in the next episode as we dive deeper into another chilling mystery that will leave you questioning what you think. If you like the video, give a like and a comment. Subscribe our channel to get such videos.